Welcome to 26 Deer Forest Drive, an imposing 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in Monterey's desirable Deer Flats neighborhood. The spacious great room features a built-in wet bar, vaulted ceilings, and the fireplace surrounded by a stunning brick accent wall. Every inch of the interior is clad in exquisite detail, from the living room to the formal dining room, and especially the kitchen that'll have you feeling like culinary royalty. The ground floor also features a huge pantry, laundry room, finished garage, and a bonus room that can be used as an office or to accommodate guests. Travel upstairs and you'll find that both of the secondary bedrooms offer vaulted ceilings and endless closet space, while the massive primary suite features a decadent bathroom with a jetted tub and a walk-in closet to die for. The exterior is an oasis. The expansive upper deck features a built-in barbecue pit, while the picnic area below features a built-in stone counter with a pizza oven and a grill. This dream home is the definition of comfort and space. Don't